The best waterproof cameras allow you to take your photography on adventures to places other cameras can't reach. Hardy and well-protected waterproof cameras will enable you to explore fearlessly and capture distinctly memorable images of even underwater subjects. Many of these weatherproof cameras will also be shockproof, crushproof, and freeze-proof, giving you the ultimate in shooting versatility. So if you're interested in buying one, we can help you out with some of the best in the business. Go through the description below to see all of the featured products and their buying links. Let's begin our list with the GoPro Hero 8 action camera. It features updated HyperSmooth 2.0 stabilization to produce smooth, gimbal-like movements at all supported frame rates without a gimbal. This camera supports up to UHD 4K video resolutions and time-lapse up to 1080p 240 slow motion, as well as super slow motion video. Still images can be captured in up to 12 megapixel resolution in bursts of up to 30 images per second with the updated Super Photo with HDR support that helps to reduce blur and enhance detail in low light situations. It also features an updated night lapse function to shoot and process up to 4K time lapses at night. The live burst function allows you to record 1.5 seconds before and after your photo to give you more choices for the best frame. It's also waterproof to 33 feet, suiting it for surfing, snorkeling, and swimming activities. Capture family trips to the beach or out on the slopes with the tough, white Coolpix W100 digital camera from Nikon. It features a rugged body rated waterproof to 33 feet, dustproof, freeze-proof to 14 degrees Fahrenheit, and shockproof to 6 feet. This model also features SnapBridge with Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth support that combine to enable a variety of functions, including instant image transfer, geolocation tagging, and more. For imaging, it sports a 13.1 megapixel 1/3.1 inch CMOS sensor with a sensitivity of up to ISO 1600. This combines with the Nikon 3x optical zoom lens, equivalent to 30 to 90 millimeters, to produce sharp images in various situations and environments. Plus, it offers Full HD 1080p video recording at 30 frames per second, and users will be able to compose shots using a 2.7-inch 230K dot rear LCD. Additionally, for working in bright light, the W100 is equipped with a 2-stop ND filter, and in dim lighting conditions, a built-in flash can help illuminate subjects. Capture the world's beauty beneath the surface at depths with the DC2000 digital underwater camera from SeaLife. It uses a 20 megapixel 1-inch Sony BSI CMOS image sensor, which produces sharp, detailed photos and Full HD 1080p video at 60 frames per second. Its fast f/1.8 lens helps you achieve effective low-light shots with shallow depth of field. The camera can capture raw photos to give you much more image data to work with in the editing process. As a bonus, the picture in video feature allows you to capture still images while recording Full HD movies. Additionally, it can continuously burst shooting at 8 frames per second to help you catch fast action, and time-lapse shooting to show change over a given period. However, you can also enjoy the convenience of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for wireless image transfer. The next product on the list is the Ricoh WG70 waterproof digital camera. A reinforced physical construction renders it waterproof for depths up to 45.9 feet and shockproof for heights of 5.2 feet, as well as freeze, crush, and dustproof. This camera features a 16 megapixel 1/2.3 inch back illuminated CMOS sensor. This enables high resolution still shooting and Full HD 1080p video recording. It offers a sensitivity range up to ISO 6400 to suit working in a variety of situations. A 5x optical zoom lens also contributes to this flexibility, covering a wide angle to telephoto 28-140mm equivalent focal length range. Further, it incorporates a 2.7-inch 230K dot LCD monitor, which uses an outdoor view setting mode for improved visibility in bright lighting conditions. On the other hand, it has 6 LED lights that also surround the lens to help illuminate close-up subjects when working with the digital microscope mode. Characterized by its tough exterior, the Nikon Coolpix W300 is a sleek point-and-shoot featuring a reinforced physical design along with apt multimedia imaging capabilities. The camera is waterproof, rated for depths up to 100 feet, and shockproof for falls from up to 7.9 feet high, as well as freeze-proof for temperatures down to 14 degrees Fahrenheit. Regarding imaging, a high-resolution 16-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor benefits both still shooting as well as video recording. A 5x optical zoom lens spans wide-angle to telephoto focal lengths, and a vibration reduction helps to minimize the appearance of camera shake for sharper handheld imagery. It incorporates a SnapBridge wireless connectivity, which uses Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for seamlessly sharing imagery and remotely controlling the camera from a linked device. Furthermore, built-in GPS is also available for geotagging your imagery in camera. Last on the video, but at the top of our list, we have the Olympus Tough TG6. Featuring a 12-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor and TruePic 8 image processor, it offers notable image clarity and low-light shooting performance to ISO 12800. It also provides fast 20 frame per second continuous shooting, 4K 30p video recording, and high-speed full HD 1080p shooting at 120 frames per second. Beyond just imaging, it sports a robust set of features to withstand the elements, track your adventures, and share your images. The camera is rated for underwater use, tested to withstand falls and crushing, and is hermetically sealed against dust and moisture when working in trying conditions. Using built-in Wi-Fi and the Image Track app, recorded data and imagery can also be shared with a mobile device for posting online. Additionally, a field sensor system incorporates GPS, a manometer, compass, and a thermometer to record the details of your environment and embed this data onto your photos and movies. Thanks for watching, and I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to check out that description down below to pick out the best waterproof cameras available on the market. Bye for now.